Meaning of Little Chef.
Little chef.
Little Chef.
Little chef.
Little chef. Little chef can refer to a few different things depending on the context, but it is most commonly used to refer to a chain of roadside restaurants in the United Kingdom. These restaurants typically serve traditional British food such as breakfast, roast dinners, and fish and chips. The name Little Chef was originally chosen because the first restaurant was quite small and the founder wanted to convey the idea of a friendly, welcoming place where customers could enjoy a home-cooked meal. Over time, the chain expanded and became a popular stop for travelers on long car journeys. In some contexts, Little Chef may also be used as a nickname or term of endearment for someone who enjoys cooking or is particularly skilled at preparing food.